Hey y'all, it's Elisabeth Joy. I'm here in Austin, Texas, and today I want to talk about a remarkable opportunity to support the first of its kind episodic drama series made by veterans for veterans, addressing those tough topics like PTSD and chronic injury, chronic pain, and how we live with those in our new transition to a civilian life. Mission Transition Condition, written, produced, and directed by Glenn Towery, Vietnam veteran, artist, and friend. This is a remarkable story. It's a tale of resilience, of survival, and of becoming. When we leave the military, life just isn't the same. As a combat veteran from Army service, I was both in Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. I have a diagnosis for PTSD that I live with every day, and I learn how to manage through the arts, through mindfulness, and through community. This series is ready to be seen. It's ready to be out there, and it is ready to help the other veterans who are looking for guidance. So please give what you can, be it a couple dollars, a couple $1,000. Your support means so much to us. Together, we can help other veterans make their transition and become all that they've been meant to be.